down there and see what it looks like. We hadn't ever made it that far, but we'll see. I mean, there's a bunch of them pockets up through there too that's got, but I don't know. We'll go see what it's like.
Yeah, there they are. See them? Right here, right here. No, right here. See them? That's a big grassy.
You got him on hunt?
Yeah.
Big bullhead.
Is that here?
Grassy on top, 12 o'clock.
Where? Right there. See? Oh, got it. I think this is him. We're just slowly trying to find fish right now.
What about that, huh?
I just slinging a few arrows. I think, what is this, like number 2?
I think so.
I think, how many we got right there?
Probably 2, maybe 4.
Well, there's one thing for sure, boys. Tater Ridge just put them on them this morning. We filled the boat and we was just playing. We probably got 60, 80 fish, 700-800 pounds worth, but we're done for the evening.